Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you stuffed cucumber kimchi. Cut the cucumbers in half crosswise. Split one end of each piece with cross slices 3/4 of the way through and place them into a bowl. Sprinkle with 3 tablespoons salt and allow them to sit at room temperature for 1 hour. In a small bowl, combine the garlic, ginger, green onion, daikon, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and sugar. Mix well and refrigerate to chill. Divide the chilled mixture into 8 parts and stuff each part into a piece of salted cucumber. Place the filled cucumbers into a container or jar and allow to marinate for 1 day in the refrigerator before eating. For this recipe and more, please visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.